Hello everyone, I'm Chloe from Linbay Machinery. We are the trusty and responsible manufacturers of roll forming machines. Today I will introduce the Strut Channel roll forming machines for you. If you are interested in this machine, I will show you more details. Follow me. The speed of the whole production line is 8 to 10 meters per minute. You can see at the first of our whole production line, this is a deployer with a leveler. This device can save the space for you. And next part is it is also equipped with a upper limited sensor and a lower limited sensor, which can prevent the coil accumulation. This is a separated punch press. It can press the slotted holes on the coil to meet your needs. This device will be more faster than the common punching methods. And follow me. It is also equipped with a upper limited sensor and a lower limited sensor, which can also prevent the coil accumulation. Now I will introduce the way to change the size. This is manual sleeve change. You can change the size through this method, and this is a very economical method. We have videos on the YouTube. You can search it. Okay, the last part of our roll forming machine is a flying hydraulic cut. Compared with a common method, this method will enhance the productivity. Okay, let's see how the machine works. So this is our whole production line. After looking at our videos, you must have a basic understanding of our company. We offer you the installation videos and English instruction books for you, so you can start the production at once as you receive the machine. And we also provide a 2-year warranty and lifetime after service for you, so you don't have to worry about the quality. If you are interested in this machine, please contact me as soon as possible. Bye bye.